Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and miles per gallon. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, heated seats, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.